Good morning, friends. Let's talk about daily commodity commentary and daily technical levels. Today, we have seen that gold prices are trading on a negative note, down by almost 0.67% to 46,380 levels, and silver corrected by 0.69% to 48,476 levels. This is due to some recovery comes from major economies and the hope of many stimulus packages by the major economies and central banks. This will provide a support to global equity market, and will give this will fade out the gold demand as a safe haven, and we have noticed that gold prices are correcting. So whenever we see a sharp recovery in global economy and global equity market, we will see a sharp correction in gold prices. Now for today perspective, we are expecting some negative trend in gold and silver prices. We can see some profit booking in gold and silver. So for intraday perspective, gold has a strong support at 46,400 and resistance at 46,950. Silver has a strong support at 48,400 and resistance at 49,100. We are recommending to sell in gold and silver on higher levels. On another side, if we talk about the base metal, yesterday we have noticed that base metal performed well. As expected, they traded on a higher levels. Today we are expecting some positive trend again in the base metal. Majorly in copper and zinc, both are expected to trade higher. For intraday perspective, copper has a strong support at 421 and resistance at 429. Zinc has a strong support at 160 and resistance at 165. Both are expecting to trade higher, so we are recommending to buy in base metal segment, majorly in copper and zinc. Now, if we look after the crude oil segment, crude oil yesterday we have noticed that traded on a positive note, and today is also its gap up opening and trading on a 2830 levels. Increasing demand from the major economies, in increasing demand from aviation sector, increasing demand from after the resume of the industrials. So we are expecting the increase in demand. So for intraday perspective, we are expecting that crude oil prices will trade on a positive note. For intraday perspective, if we talk about the technical levels, crude oil has a strong support at 2760 and resistance at 2870. So we are recommending to buy in crude oil on any dips. We are expecting a target level of 2850 to 2870 levels. Now friends, if we talk about the agriculture segment, yesterday we have noticed a positive trend in agriculture segment. So today we are also expecting some positive trend in the agriculture segment, majorly in soybean and in spice sector. So for intraday perspective, traders one can go for long in soybean and spice sector, particularly in jeera, because the demand is expected to increase in the agriculture segment. Industrial demand as well as domestic demand will increase and support the agriculture prices. So we are recommending to buy in agriculture products. Thank you.